Okay, this is Chapter 3's gasket. One of the tasks you have to do is find the area of this gasket. Now, under the Utilities part of the Home tab, the Utilities panel, there is a measure, and when you go click on it, you'll see measure distance, radius, angle, area. Alright, we want area. Now, you can do a whole bunch of things with area. One is making polygons. You can click on polygon and create shapes. When you right button click and push enter, it will tell you the area of it. Now you will notice that there are no units on it. You have to know what units you're in. This one happens to be inches, and so area is always measured in inches squared or whatever unit squared. So that's one way to do it. Alright, you hit escape. We're going to go back to area measure. So if you want to measure the area of an object, you right button click, you click object, you select the object, and it'll tell you the area. Okay, so on this one it'd be 37.36 inches squared. However, that is the entire shape size. The way you have to figure out the area between the two shapes is a different procedure altogether. So I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go to measure. Now you do not click on object this time. You click on add area. Once you click add area, then you right button click again and click object. You snap on the object you want to click, and it'll highlight it all green. You right button click, it'll show you the area just like we did. Then you right button click again and then say subtract area. Right button click again, object, and you select the object. It'll turn red when you right button click. Now, there are two things. One says area, 25.02. That is not the area of the gasket. That is the last area that you've clicked. The actual area of the gasket is where it says total area, 12.35. And again, don't forget to put whatever unit in squared. In this case, inches squared. Alright, and then cancel. Okay, the next is when you have an object with more than one cutout in it. Now this circle is one object, but this square or rectangle is not. It's 4 objects. So before you cut it out, you must join these 4 objects. So the way I do it is click the 4 objects. Under the Home tab, Modify panel, I do the pull down menu, and down here is Join. I click Join, and now this should be one object. I have to make sure everything is one object. So this is one object, this is one object, this is one object. Now, again, I want to find the area of this octagon minus this and this. I click on Measure Area. I right button click. I go to Add Area. I right button click and select Object. I select the octagon. It does the whole area. I right button click. It'll tell me the area, which is 16.57 inches squared. I right button click and select subtract area. Right button click, hit object. I select a circle. Now you don't have to right button click or anything. You can select the next object. And I select the rectangle. I right button click, and it tells me the area of the last, which was that rectangle, which is 0.76 inches squared. And then the total area is the area of the octagon minus those two things, which was 12.67 inches squared. That's how you figure out area of an object that has more than one cutout.